In this video, I'm going to show you how to hue shift in Photopea in just a few easy steps. This is a super useful technique if you want to quickly change the color mood of an image, create a more stylized look, or make your artwork stand out with a completely different palette. Whether you're editing a photo, designing a thumbnail, or just experimenting with color, hue shifting is one of the fastest ways to transform an image without destroying the original. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tips and editing tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, make sure your image is already open inside Photopea. Once your workspace is ready, look over to the right side of the screen and find your Layers panel. This is where all of your image layers and adjustments are organized, and it's also where we'll make the hue shift happen. If you don't see the Layers panel, you may need to enable it from the Window menu, but in most cases it should already be visible on the right. Now, at the bottom of the Layers panel, you'll see a row of small icons. Look for the New Adjustment Layer icon. It looks like a circle split diagonally into black and white. This icon is important because it lets you apply color changes in a non-destructive way, which means you can always come back and edit the effect later without damaging your original image. Click that icon and a menu will appear with several adjustment options. From that list, select Hue Saturation. As soon as you choose it, Photopea will add a new adjustment layer above your image layers, and a Properties control panel will open up above your Layers panel. This is where the actual color shift controls are located. Inside the Properties panel, find the Hue Slider. This is the main control you'll use for the effect. Click and drag the hue slider left or right and watch what happens to your image in real time. You'll see the colors shift smoothly across the spectrum. For example, yellows can become greens, reds can move toward oranges or purples, and blues can shift into completely different tones depending on how far you drag the slider. The best part is that you can keep adjusting until the image looks exactly how you want it. If you want a subtle color correction, move the slider only a little. If you want a dramatic artistic effect, push it farther and experiment with stronger shifts. Because this is an adjustment layer, the effect stays flexible, so you can always return to it and refine the result later. If the colors are shifting too much, just bring the slider back closer to the center until the image feels balanced again. You can also toggle the visibility of the adjustment layer on and off to compare the before and after result. This is a great way to see whether your hue shift improves the image or if you want to try a different direction. And that's really all there is to it. To hue shift in Photopea, go to the Layers panel, click the New Adjustment Layer icon, choose Hue Saturation, and drag the hue slider until you get the color look you want. It's fast, it's easy, and it gives you a lot of creative control over your images. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photopea tutorials, editing tricks, and design walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.